Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update on this Excel sheet. Okay, so let's go one by one. So the first point is, yep, I have already made this function that you can see the first CBR1 has remarks. These are my remarks. CBR2 has remarks, further remarks, and CBR3 has no remarks. So if I'll switch on to CBR1, you will see these are my remarks. If you will, I'll switch to C2, CBR2, which is further remarks. And if I'll select anything else, there is no remarks, so it will show empty. First thing done. Second one is that it's creating multiple PDFs. I have already fixed that part. Is there a way to produce one page? Okay, yeah, one page is done. Also, if it is possible to, okay, so we can create multiple PDFs. I have created the code for that, but to explain that thing, let me run this. So currently you can see this file is laying on this folder right here, and I'm going to run this generate PDFs, and you will see multiple PDFs getting generated for CBR1, CBR2, CBR3. And to stop generating these PDFs, I would like to have some criteria, some control, so that you have to tell me if there is any specific variable which is already present. Like for example, let's let it complete and then we can start. So you can see it should go up to 25, but there are CBR only to at 10 CBR, so it will stop at 10. It is stopped, but it's switched to 11. All right. So it should be like if I select CVR1 and there is some values in this or maybe any specific cell. So that will be great. So for example, if there is a CBR which need to be printed, I want to have a control in it. Like for example, if I switch to CBR4, I can see there are NAs in here. And I can see I uh I want to have a control in which there must be a value in a CBR cell, like maybe you can say call it like this one, or maybe there should be some remarks to run to make the PDF like this one. So the type, if there is no type, this will get skipped. Yeah, if we have a type in here, this will get printed. If we have a type in here, so I want to have a control of any specific cell in here so that it can check if that can be printed or not. That's the first thing. So it will look through all CBRs and it will check one by one. If that CBR have a value on a particular cell, then it will get converted into PDFs. There is a way that we can combine the PDFs, but that will add few complexities, and I don't want to go into that. And I'll show you a simplest way to do that. So for example, if it has once we have filtered out okay which CBR to be printed with a specific cell value, then we have few PDFs in here, and on a single click, like selecting all and convert into combine into one PDF. If you have Acrobat or any a good PDF converter, that gives you a good that give you these options to combine all the PDFs in one PDF. And on a simple click, it will combine all the PDFs in one. So if I'll click on this and click create, it will give me this option, and I can always press OK. And at the end, I clicked it multiple times. So now it's giving me 10 PDFs in a single page. So this is the simplest way to do it. Instead of creating multiple PDFs and linking the libraries and making some, because it will create the Excel will need to link to the PDF, and that includes the library and function things. Again, I don't want to go into those details, so these are my simplest formation. Just click on this. It will go one by one on all CBRs and find out if there is a value in a specific cell. If the value is present, it means that CBR to be printed. Once the PDFs are generated on the same folder where the same main Excel file is there, you can always click on or select all the PDFs, click and combine into the PDF. It will ask you where you want to save it or maybe change the name. Just click create, or maybe I want to create it in savy folder and save. And here I will have a untitled page with all the same PDFs, and you can click all these, delete all these. So this is for the S2 in C2 CBR. I'll create a separate video for the DCP software.